Hi everyone, welcome to Numeric Learning. So in today's video, let us do an important question from class 10th, surface area and volume. The question is, the difference between the outer and the inner radii of a hollow right circular cylinder of length 14 centimeter is 1 centimeter. If the volume of the metal used in making the cylinder is 176 centimeter cube, find the outer and inner radii. Okay, so you have to draw a right, a right circular cylinder which is hollow in between. Here, if you see, this is your inner radius, small letter r, and this is your outer radius, capital R. Okay, the difference is given. The difference between the outer and the inner is given as 1 centimeter, right? So the height of the right circular cylinder, this is nothing but your 14 centimeters. You have to find this capital R and small letter r. So let us begin by writing the solution. So let capital R be the outer radii of the cylinder. Okay, and small letter r be the inner radii. Okay, now you are given the difference between the outer and the inner radii of a hollow right circular cylinder of length 14 centimeters. Okay, so capital R minus small letter r is nothing but 1 centimeter. This is what is given, right? The difference between the outer and inner radii of a cylinder is 1 centimeter. So you are also given the height. H is equal to 14 centimeters. You are given if the volume of a metal used to make the cylinder is 176 centimeter cube. So volume of the metal used is nothing but 176 centimeter cube. Now since it's hollow, the volume will be the outer cylinder's volume minus the inner cylinder's volume. So outer cylinder is nothing but pi r square h minus the inner cylinder's volume would be pi small letter r square h is equal to 176. Take pi and h common, you will have capital R square minus small letter r square equal to 176. So the pi value is 22 by 7. Height is 14. Multiplied by what is a square minus b square? A plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to 176. We already know that capital R, the difference of the radii is 1. Okay, so this value, this is equal to 1, right? This is equal to 1 and 7 to the 14. So you have 44 multiplied by r plus r is equal to 176. So r plus small letter r is equal to 176 divided by 44. So cancel it with 2, 2 to 22, 2 8s are 16, 8. And then 22 into 4 is 88. So you have capital R plus small letter r is equal to 4. Now let this be equation 2. Okay, equation 1 is capital R minus r. Now let us add 1 and 2. Okay, equation 1 and 2. Capital R minus r is 1. Capital R plus r is 4. Just add it. So minus and plus small letter r will get cancelled. 2 into 2r equal to 5. Capital R is nothing but pi by 2. Then you can just substitute capital R in your equation 1. Okay, so here you will have 5 by 2 minus r equal to 1, or r is nothing but r goes to the other side. It will be 5 by 2 minus 1. Take the LCM, so it's 2. Okay, so 5 minus 2, which is nothing but 3 by 2. Your small letter r and capital R, please put the units as centimeters. Okay, so therefore you can write, therefore the outer radii at a capital R is 5 by 2 centimeters and your inner radii, small letter r, is nothing but 3 by 2 centimeters. So that's your answer. So it's a very easy question to do, provided the important part is whenever it's hollow, right? It's hollow in between, right? This area is all hollow. So when you're using a metal to make such a kind of a hollow cylinder, you'll have to subtract the two volumes. A volume of the outer cylinder minus the volume. So this is one important part. And when whatever is asked, you just assume that with a variable initially. Okay, so it's a very good question. Do try it out yourself. Let us do one more question. Here, the radius of the base and height of a solid right circular cylinder are in the ratio 2:3. The radius of the base and height of a solid right circular cylinder, and its volume is 1617 centimeter cube. Find the total surface area of the cylinder. You have to take phi as 22 by 7. Okay, so since the ratio of the radius and the height is given, let us take, okay, let the radius be 2x, because whenever the ratio is given to you, the ratio between the radius and the height, it's just the ratio which is given, so you do not know what is the value of x here. So let the radius be 2x and your height, let it be 3x. Okay, now what is the volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder is given as 1617 centimeter cube. What is the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h is equal to 1617. Let's substitute it. So pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into r, 2x the whole square multiplied by 3x is equal to 1617. Let us calculate x here. Okay, so it is nothing but 22 by 7 multiplied by 4x square multiplied by 3x is equal to 1617. 4 3s are 12, right? So, or else you can take x cube directly. X cube is equal to 1617 multiplied by 7, cross multiply, whole divided by 22 into 4 into 3. Okay, so here what will happen is it's difficult to divide, isn't it, since there is a numerator. Okay, so let us see if 1617 is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15, 11, 3 3s are 9, 27, and then 9 are 27. So what you see is 3 and you have 539, correct? And then let us see if 539 is divisible by 4. What is 539 divisible by 4? Could you check it? 539 divided by 4. It's not divisible, right? 539 divided by 22, that is also not divisible. So here what we can do is, so this is x cube, right? Okay, so what you have here is this 539 is divisible by 11. Okay, so you have 11 4s are 44. Okay, the remainder is 9, 99. 9s are 99. Okay, 11 into 9. So 11 into 2 and 11 into 49. Okay, so here x cube is nothing but, you'll have 49 can be written as 7 square into 7. So 7 cube divided by 2 cube. 2 into 4, 8. So it is 2 cube. So x is equal to 7 by 2. Okay, so this would take time for you, right? When the simplification will take some time, but if you have to be really careful. So once you've got x equal to 7 by 2, what is the radii? So your radius is, initially we assume radius as 2x, right? So 2 into 7 by 2, if you cancel 2 and 2, you'll have 7 centimeters. And your height, we assumed it as 3x. So it's 3 multiplied by 7 by 2, which is 21 by 2 centimeters. So now that we have got radius and height, but that's not the question. The question is, you have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. What is the total surface area? Total surface area of a cylinder is nothing but 2 pi r. The total surface area of a cylinder, remember it as 2 pi r into h plus r or r plus h. Okay, so just substitute the value. So it's nothing but 2 multiplied by 22 by 7. 2 pi r. R is nothing but your 7 multiplied by r plus h. So what is your r? 7 plus h is nothing but 22. Sorry, it's 21 by 2. Okay, so 7 gets cancelled. Just add whatever is coming inside. So this is nothing but 2 into 22 multiplied by, the LCM is 2. You have 14 plus 21. Okay, so what is 14 plus 21? 14 and 21, 35 by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So 22 multiplied by 35. So 35 into 22. And then 770, right? So your total surface area is nothing but 770, and the unit is centimeter square. Why? Because here you have your centimeters into centimeter square. So the required answer is the total surface area, 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. Remember the total surface area formula, and the volume formula is pi r square h. So this is entirely formula based, so please do remember to make a note of the formulas in this chapter. If so, you will definitely be able to do it very easily. That apart from you memorizing the all the formulas of the geometrical shapes in surface area volume, another very important thing is the time taken to do such calculation can be a little more, but try to simplify as much as possible, okay, and as quickly as possible. Okay, so that's all for today. Hope you understood. Hope these two questions were something which you understood and which you can do if it appears in the exam. Okay, all the very best. I will come up with a new set of questions tomorrow. Till then, take care. Do subscribe and please do share it with your friends. Thank you.